स्टूडेंट्स, मैं ब्रिजेश सिंह, शिवराज सिंह चिल्ड्रन एकेडमी strongly welcome in the history class. Students, now I am going to start the last chapter according to examination syllabus. The topic is the Central Islamic lands. According to your syllabus, certain chapters have been defined. One of two chapters I have taught you already. Total 3 chapters have been given point of examination, and last chapter I have mentioned in during class period, the Central Islamic lands. Very important chapter, especially Islamic point of view. I just take full explanation about the root of Islam. One thing I want to clear you, I am not going to discuss about the sense of Islamic religions. Don't need any kind of misguidance. The particular chapter, Central Islamic lands, shows how the civilization of Islamic countries, what was the main root of Islamic culture, how they were unified, where their roots have been generated, how they got purely unfolded condition. So this is a very interesting chapter according to history point of view. The Central Islamic lands, you know, approximately 1 billion Muslim communities are living across the world. 1 billion. First information goes to you about the chapter, as well as information, as well as teaching style. I will try to cover the whole concept regarding to examination point of view. What topic is very necessary, most possibilities to be asked in examination, what are the relevant topics, how the topics can be exactly associated, on which topic you have to focus exactly, because we have to take the maximum knowledge about that topic. Along with we have to ensure the coming questions related to that topic. So all kinds of relevant topic should be exactly connected to your mind, and focus extreme attention on particular those topics who are very important for the examination point of view, and has been repeated so many times. So I will focus 2 kinds of information. First, 1 billion Muslims across the world, definitely they are belonging to many kinds of countries. I will take complete informations, what are their main root, how they were generated. I will talk about the Paighambar Muhammad. I will talk about the Makkah. Definitely will be talked Medina. Definitely what the Islam's principles, how the differences have been created regarding in the sense of devotion, how they creates untrustful conditions beyond of each other. Like such information is going to be registered in particular topic of the Central Islamic lands. This is the briefing condition. This is the introduction of the chapter. Whatever steps have been included in the topic of the Central Islamic lands. First of all, I will know the origination of Muslim communities, how they are associated across the world. 1 billion Muslim communities are living entirely across the world, having different kind of cultural activities, as well as politically and socially. How they have different opinion on the centralized portion of the Islam in spite of different languages, how they are unified, what were the main conditions behind the Central Islamic lands. They are purely unfolded. I will take the complete journey to the tribes of the Muslims. I will take the complete information about the Makkah, Medina, Muhammad and Rasul. I will talk also about what is the special utilization of the devotion of the Hajj. Especially will be mentioned the main shrine के बारे में हम चर्चा करेंगे. तो कुल मिला जुलाकर के सेंट्रल इस्लामिक लैंड्स में जो आज हम चर्चा करने वाले हैं उसमें मुख्य तौर पर उसके इंट्रोडक्शन के रूप में आज हम देखेंगे कि कैसे मुस्लिम समुदाय का ओरिजिनेशन कहाँ से था, उसके बाद उनका माइग्रेशन कैसे हुआ, मतों को लेकर, डिफरेंसेस को लेकर, डिवोशंस को लेकर के, अपनी कम्युनिटीज को लेकर के कैसे उनके अंदर डिफरेंसेस क्रिएट हुए, एज द रिजल्टिंग डिफरेंशिएशन क्रिएट होने के बाद कैसे वे अलग अलग ट्रैक को फॉलो किए, ऑब्स्टिकल्स कैसे आई, ओपिनियन अनसेटिस्फैक्शन कैसे आया और फिर वो लेकर के कैसे एक दूसरे को ओवरसीट करते हुए, ओवरटेक करते हुए कैसे इस्टेब्लिशमेंट हुआ मुस्लिम कम्युनिटीज का. होल जर्नी में टर्निंग पॉइंट कैसा रहा, what was the turning point exactly in the scenario of Central Islamic lands, how they were forced to be migrate from one country to second country, from Makkah to Medina, how the followers have exactly trust. They didn't want to have any lecture, how they closely attached to पैगंबर साहब. तो ये महत्वपूर्ण विषय आज के हैं जिस पर हम चर्चा करेंगे और अगले 30 मिनट्स तक आप जुड़े रहेंगे. बहुत मेजर टॉपिक्स पर चर्चा करने वाले हैं सेंट्रल इस्लामिक लैंड्स पर. 1 बिलियन मुस्लिम्स अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड, फर्स्ट पॉपुलेशन. You have to know the population of Muslim communities. Once again I want to clear, I am not going to discuss the particular topic of the Muslim religions concerned. Sense of Muslim religions, sense of Muslim religions, sense of Muslim religion. This is not isolated topic, particular we have to express on my own concepts. This is beyond of the topic. We have to introduce new elements regarded to Central Islamic country. I will try to go in the route of generation, the history of Islamic countries regarding this Makkah, Medina, Paigambar. What were main necessary elements to be staples? What were the main obstacles, barriers, uncomfortable zones, trade, business, how they properly settled in the cities, in the search of their food, especially date. इस्लामिक कंट्री में सबसे प्रसिद्ध चीज अगर आप आज भी देखेंगे, आज के परिप्रेक्ष्य में देखेंगे तो डेट, खजूर, इस खजूर को हम जोड़ने की कोशिश करेंगे कि उस समय मुख्य आहार में स्पेशल डाइट्स के रूप में, स्पेशल भोजन के रूप में, खाने के रूप में डेट को किस तरीके से हैंडल करते थे। साथ ही साथ हम इस पर भी चर्चा करेंगे कि जो उनका फॉडर होता था, स्पेशली कैमल्स के लिए, कैसे इंसर्च करते थे फ्रॉम ड्राई प्लेसेस टू ग्रीन प्लेसेस। दिस इज द मेन इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक। दे हैव exercised very huge struggles in the total history of the Central Islamic country. You can say definitely this is not going to be easy. How they cultivated an Islam of centuries dedicated to the root of their distractions, their discriminations, how they survived their struggles, what were the main aspects related to Central Islamic lands. Definitely we are going to discuss properly on the particular topic. We have to take the proper vocabulary, where the words are very necessary to be associated with particular words, because you don't have the proper vocabulary, you cannot connect your events properly. So definitely this is a very important. First of all, having read the chapter, you have to make the huge collection of words. So first of all, I will take the special word Muslim community. We are running in the 21st centuries. 21st century. In spite of the running 21st centuries, 1 billion Muslims having containing different kind of the cultural activities, dresses, politically, socially and geographically. They had different image. They had also different image. And in spite of this, how the history of Islam can be correlated? This is the big question is being raised against the particular chapter, the Central Islamic lands, Muslim communities. Second, Arab, how the tribes migrates, their migration, in search of permanent residence, how they faced such kind of barriers, what were the commanding positions, how they were commanded, and definitely what were the matter of religion at that time, how they were create a different ideology in spite of to be connected of the Muslim communities, how they create different kind of ideologies and show the tremendous maturity to good touch the perception of ideology, interconnection of the religions. So these kinds of different topic, but the root of Islam, this is the major question. We have to take the proper study on this topic, root of Islam. In this regarding, having different kind of cultural activities, one thing is clear, different kind of cultural activities. The first line goes to you, as well as politically, socially and at the sense of religious also in particular places, because they were strongly connected to the religion. Every community without religion cannot express their devotion in particular centralized portions. They have permanent god and goddess, they permanent have shrines. एक निश्चित स्थान होता है जहाँ की अपनी आस्था को हम व्यक्त करते हैं, चाहे हम हिंदू की बात करें, चाहे मुस्लिम की बात करें, चाहे सिख की बात करें, चाहे ईसाई की बात करें. एक मान्यता होता है, एक परसेप्शन होता है, एक आइडियोलॉजी होता है, और उस आइडियोलॉजी के खिलाफ अपने आप को हम सर्वाइव करते हैं. तो महत्वपूर्ण ये नहीं है कि आप किस समुदाय से बिलोंग करते हैं, महत्वपूर्ण ये है कि उस समुदाय के राइट ट्रैक पर चलते हुए अपनी भावनाओं को व्यक्त करना, अपने इमोशंस को व्यक्त करना, अपनी आस्था को व्यक्त करना, और उसमें किसी प्रकार से कोई भी व्यक्ति या देश का फीलिंग्स की कोई भी उसमें इंटरफियर नहीं होना चाहिए. सामाजिक तौर पर इस प्रकार का एक परसेप्शन, एक आइडियोलॉजी क्रिएट किया जाता है जिसको आप बोलते हैं सोशल हार्मोनी. सोशल हार्मोनी, this is very kind of important words which is the compulsion behind the every healthy society. You have to create social harmony because different kind of communities are living along with Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. If you don't have the proper mutual understanding, it will be very tough to survive your per day life, because you have to follow some things, you have to restrict something, and you have to deny something, and you have to accept something. There are variation of life, just like the variation of life, everything cannot be survived permanently. Whatever per day, in the first day of month, second day of the month, third month of the month, same way in particular religion, everything is not going to happen properly. This is ups and downs according to the situation of here. Now the 21st century is running. If you observe it silently in the 6th and 7th century, 8th and 9th century, definitely you are getting to something very huge differentiate, because this is the climax of society. In regular interval you will get a lot of changes, a lot of perceptions, a lot of new incomings. They express their devotion, they have particular time of history, particular ideologies. That this is the rule of nature. Nothing is constant in this world. इस दुनिया में कुछ भी स्थिर नहीं है, स्थिर होना भी नहीं चाहिए. समय के हिसाब से हर चीज को परिभाषित किया जाता है, हर चीज को डिफाइन किया जाता है, और उसी को कहते हैं कि वर्तमान में चलना है. पास्ट को सबक लेते हुए, पास्ट से लेसन को लेते हुए, और फ्यूचर के लिए एक इमेजिन को क्रिएट करना है. दिस इज द वेरी ब्रिलियंट ट्रैक ऑफ लाइफ. टेक द लेसन फ्रॉम योर हिस्ट्री, mentally set yourself at present and take the some positive image in future, and you have to take the 100% effort in particular target, particular mottos, particular dedications, and result leave to God. Leave to God, because result is not in your hand. During the time of preparation, I can remember our target, but I can't take the frustration behind the result, because we can do our best, whatever circumstances around us, we can do better, so far better, but we can't take guarantee to be positive result. Objective form, this can be yes, this can be no, but we have to ready for next effort. So something related to the history of the Muslim communities. Definitely in the beginning part of the Muslim communities, I just want to put introduction. What are the Muslim communities? Time period 6 to 12. This is the 6 to 12. Very important question. What were the Muslim communities? Age defined the centuries from the 600 to 1200 is to be considered in the in the history of Muslim communities, this was the main origination of the 600 to 1200. What were the main circumstances between these times? We are definitely going to study regarding to this chapter. We will conclude all the events related to Muslim communities, the particular times of the 600 to 1200, what events, what circumstances were taken place, how they have exhausted in the regarding in a politeful manner, how they showed their mental strength, generosity, politeness, how they were very rigid to the religion, how they were not bound to force the follow the steps of particular ideologies. These steps were very important for that point of view. Definitely some words I will take here. Arab tribes were not running in constant figure. There were so many tribes who are always in migration conditions. Some tribes are properly settled in cities having involved in business, trade, and another part of systems. They have connected their motors to fulfill the generate of initial basic things like fodder, diet, and also along with exactly arrangement of the fodder, especially for the camels. Camels was the main animal. You can say सहारा, रेगिस्तान, मरुस्थल का जहाज अगर किसी को कहा जाता है तो कैमल्स आर कॉल्ड रेगिस्तान का जहाज. This is especially communities of the Arabian countries. In these days, such kind of reflections you can observe. So definitely they were very frustrated to maintain their foods, diet, water, along with main camels, their fodder from dry place to green place in search of fodder for the camels and also themselves. अरब सिटीज में कुछ लोग सेट हुए, बिजनेस ट्रेड में इन्वॉल्व हो गए. सम ट्राइब्स, अरबियन ट्राइब्स, काइंड ऑफ ट्राइब्स from dry places to green places, they were definitely involved in search of the food and fodder of the camels. Secondly, when one kind of most important tribes, Muhammad declared himself रसूल. एक प्रकार का ट्राइब आपका मोहम्मद, जिन्होंने अपने आप को ईश्वर का, गॉड का एक रसूल डिक्लेयर किया. इन द नेम ऑफ गॉड Allah should be worshipped. They commanded proper positions. There were a lot of followers in the country of Makkah. A special situated the shrine related words Kaaba, and annually pilgrimage always create contact to Hajj. So these are the familiar words which will be discussed in context of the Central Islamic lands. In the first video I am going to the brief relations. I don't want to put the extreme burden. What are the main events? As slightly should be discussed. What are the reference of the main topic of the sons of Muslim religions? Search of orders, Arab tribes himself. Muhammad was a tribe, declared himself Rasul. The name of Allah should be worshipped. How the differentiation they create in Makkah. What were the powers were forced to be migrate from Makkah to Medina, and especially Makkah situated, Kaaba, and related to Hajj, a lot of pilgrimage, धार्मिक संस्थाओं से जुड़े हुए लोग, उस कम्युनिटी से जुड़े हुए लोग कैसे हज के लिए जाते हैं, डिवोट करते हैं अपनी आस्था को। काबा का जो मस्जिद है, स्पेशली जो मक्का में स्थित है, वहाँ इस प्रकार की सिक्योरिटी दी जाती है, इंडिविजुअल प्रोटेक्शन दिया जाता है। मक्का की कंडीशन क्या थी? व्हाट वर द मेन सिचुएशन ऑफ द मक्कास? व्हाट वर द रियल स्टेटस ऑफ द पैगंबर मोहम्मद? हाउ ही डिक्लेयर्ड हिमसेल्फ रसूल? हाउ देयर अपोनेंट्स क्रिएटेड द बैक ट्रैक फॉर द मोहम्मद साहब forced at the migration from Makkah to Medina. So these are the relevant word, main intention to supply main words, main concept in just like spray condition. थोड़ा सा शब्दों को लेकर के मैं फर्स्ट वीडियो में आपको रिलैक्स करना चाहेंगे। जो पॉलिटिकल सोशली हिस्ट्री है, डिफरेंट कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ हैं, 600 to 1200 उनका जो ड्यूरिंग टाइम्स है, उनका रूट ऑफ इस्लाम, व्हाट इज द रूट ऑफ द इस्लाम्स, व्हाट इज द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ मोहम्मद, हाउ दे आर कनेक्टेड टू follow, how their followers are connected to the Makkah, and what is the main importance of the Masjid Kaaba, how they were bound to migrate from Makkah to Medina, and transfer from migration from Makkah to Medina. This was the turning point of the Muslim communities in the history, where they had generated their calendar. So this was the brief introduction in the first video. In second videos, I will take proper entry and agriculture, administrations, how were their differences, how Muhammad Sahib faced a lot of challenges beyond of their followers, how Makkah's people were bound to oppose the Muhammad Sahibs, they were forced to migrate, such topics all, Rasul, what is the meaning of the Rasul, and main word of the Kaaba, Masjid, and very common word Hajj. Hajj. So contacting with these words, I will discuss more. Today's destination was to be introduction of the words in briefing condition related to the Central Islamic lands. In the second video, I will take detailed explanation about the another things related to Central Islamic lands. Take the cover of maximum words, silent reading, situations, status regarding to the Central Muslim countries, and take slightly reading one or more times in particular chapter. In next video, I will take detailed information about you. Thank you everybody. Have a nice day.